keep tracking that in which row we are working. For this purpose, it will be ideal if the row in which we will be working would be highlighted. So how we can do this? Let's learn.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
First of all, I will select the whole data. For this purpose, I will use the short key Ctrl A. Next, I will click on this conditional formatting under the Home tab. And here I will select this new rule. I will select the last option, use a formula to determine which cell to format. And here I will type the formula that will be used to highlight this row. So here I will write equal row, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, equal cell, open parenthesis, in inverted commas, I will write row, I will close this parenthesis, and after this, I will click on this format. Here I have different formatting option. I will use the fill color option and I will choose this light color. And after this, I will click OK and again OK. So now you can see that the row is highlighted. But there is a problem that this row is not dynamic. Like when I go to other cell, the row is not dynamically moving with this. To make it dynamic, I will right click on the sheet name and here I will click on this view code. After selecting the active worksheet, in between the private sub worksheet and the end sub, I will write a simple code that is target dot calculate. After this, I will just close this window also. And now when I will move to other cell, the highlighted row is dynamically moving. Now an important thing is that when I will save this project, I have to go to the file option and then I will click on this save as. So in the file type, I have to choose this Excel macro enabled workbook so that it will work whenever I open this worksheet. So I'll choose this and then save it. Now this type of highlighting the row is very super cool for those people who are not having the Microsoft 365 Office. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you in the next one.